Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use phone number instead of email for iMessage to send messages from your phone number instead of your email. So guys, if you want to use your phone number instead of your email for iMessage, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then scroll it below all the way, and then you have to simply tap on apps. Once you are here, scroll it below again and go to messages, and now you have to simply scroll it below and turn on the toggle for iMessage from here, and after this you have to simply tap on send and receive. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply tap on this, and from here you have to simply check this to your phone number if it is on your email address. So guys, you have to simply check this to your phone number like this, and after this you will be able to use your phone number instead of email for iMessage and FaceTime. So guys, in this way you can also use the phone number instead of email for iMessage to send messages through your phone number to anyone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.